and Mouse became friends forever.
In the Asian desert where the sun shines bright, cartoon all-stars ready to take flight. With hearts so bold they rise above the fray. Adventure calls them, guiding their way. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Chasing dreams and laughter in a world we'll grow. With Lion and Mouse, love spark ignites. Together we'll conquer through the endless nights. He's a handful of trouble, but oh what a charm. With his friends by his side, they'll weather the storm. In magical lands they'll uncover the truth. In every mission there's wonder of you. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. We must go. We must go. Chasing dreams and laughter in a world the world will grow. World will grow. With Lion and Mouse, love sparking nights. Together we'll conquer through the endless nights. He's a handful of trouble, but oh what a charm. With his friends by his side, they'll weather the storm. In magical lands they'll uncover the truth. In ever we'll conquer through the endless nights. From desert sands to the sky so clear, every step taken brings us near. With courage and friendship as our guide, in this beautiful world we won't hide. Cartoon all-stars, to the rescue we must go. Rescue, chasing dreams and laughter in a world we'll grow. Lion and Mouse, love spark ignites. Together we'll conquer through the endless night.
Ooh. Ugh. What are you going to get from the zoo shop, Charlie? I know what I'm going to get. A seal toy for the bath. Just like the one Lotta's got.
James puffed, puzzled.
I'd like one of those books that show all the animals and where they come from.
Not a splashy seal. Arr, 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 arr.
No.
Ooh. Look at that.
Lola, the camera's not just for clicking, it's for taking photographs.
Yes, Charlie. Ah.
Lola, maybe you shouldn't eat your sandwich now. You see, Lola isn't very good at saving things for later at all. On the way to the zoo, Granny and Grandpa stop off at the park, so Lola and I can feed the ducks.
Oh. Charlie, please may I have some of yours? Thank you. Oh, look at that.
When we get to the zoo, Granny and Grandpa buy our tickets and say we can see any animal we want. Oh, look, Lola, look at the giraffes.
Where? Look at the baby giraffe. Oh. Oh. Charlie, my clicky camera is completely full up. Please, can I borrow yours?
OK, Lola. But just take one, because I really want to photograph the anteater and the armadillos. That's enough, Lola.
OK.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm going to ask Granny if I can buy a zoo balloon.
Don't you think you should save your pocket money if you want to buy your seal at the zoo shop later?
Oh, Charlie, I really am extremely thirsty. Here you go.
Lola, you won't have anything left to spend in the zoo shop.
Oh, yes, I will, Charlie. I still have one more bit of money. I want to see the seals.
But anteaters are amazing, Lola. Look how long his wiggly nose is. That's for winkling out termites and ants from anthills.
Look how long his tongue is, Charlie. I wish I had a tongue like an anteater.
Why? Do you like eating ants?
I wouldn't never eat an ant.
Ooh. Oh, that's a good one. And I still got some left for the armadillos.
Can we go and see the seals now, Charlie?
Granny says lunch first and then the seals.
OK. Oh. Thank you. Guinea?
Mm-mm.
Charlie, can I borrow your clicky camera? I need to take a photograph of the seals. Thank you, Charlie.
Only one or two because I'm saving them for the armor.
Whoops.
Dillo.
It's all used up, Charlie.
Lola.
Sorry, Charlie. I know! Let's go to the zoo shop!
Wow.
Yes!
Wow. Ooh, an armadillo. Elephants, golden eagles, giraffes. Lola, look at this. The complete animal atlas with all the animals and where they come from. Lola?
Charlie, the man at the desk said I didn't have enough money for my seal toy.
That's because you spent most of your pocket money on all those other things.
Yeah.
Here you are.
Thank you. Are there any seals in your animal book, Charlie?
I didn't get it, Lola. I didn't have enough money.
Oh, but I thought you had lots of money because you saved it all up. Oh. No, we'll save it for later. No, I won't.
Thanks, Lola. I've nearly saved up enough pocket money to get an animal atlas, like the one I saw at the zoo shop. And tomorrow, when Dad takes us to the bookshop, I'm definitely going to buy it.
I've been saving up too, Charlie. And I might buy a book about seals. Now, what does everybody want to start? Cheesy straws or jelly? Marv? Oh no! Oh no! The rain is spoiling everything! It's an absolute disaster, Charlie! What are we gonna do?
Run for it!
Quick! This is the worstest picnic in the whole wide world. And it's really sad because it was supposed to be the wonderfulest. And it's not. Oh.
Then I had a really good idea. I know. Why don't we have a picnic?